Hi guys, this is me around for Aries TV and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a subject in biology again, which is known as levels of organization. So without any further ado, let's begin. So before we understand the 11 different levels of organization, we'll first talk about why is levels of organization there? Why do we need to learn this? Well, see, our world is categorized into many levels, like a whole group of molecules or a whole group of organisms, a whole population, and stuff like that. So now I'll tell you about the 11 different levels of organization, starting from the smallest to the biggest. So first up comes molecules. Yes, there's stuff smaller than molecules, but in biology we go as far as molecules as the smallest thing. Stuff smaller than that is further science. So examples of molecules are like water or oxygen or carbon dioxide or DNA. Next is organelles. Organelles are basically organs but for cells. See, here's a fact. In plant cells, there's more organelles than humans cells. Since plants don't have like organs like us, they only have cells, and in those cells they have all the different kinds of organelles. Now, examples of organelles would be like mitochondria or vacuole and stuff like that. Now, number 3 comes cells. Cells are basically, you could say, we've already learned this subject. Like in primary school, you would have heard the word cells a lot, since cells are stuff like red blood cells, which help carry blood around your body. Now we're going to be talking about the fourth thing, tissues. What are tissues? Well, since cells have organelles, what are tissues? Well, tissues are just one main type of cell, many of them put together. For example, a muscle cell. One muscle cell and many of them together makes up a muscle tissue, a connective cell. Many connective cells make up a connective tissue. Now the fifth thing is organs. Organs are we would have already heard of organs in like primary school. So organs are basically things that help us do things, like our stomach holds like nutritious, like what we eat. Our stomach holds it in, and our lungs, they help us to breathe. Our heart flows blood around our body. Now number 6, it's organ systems. See, we don't only have like 5-6 organs in our body. There's many organs, probably more than 50 and 78 to be exact, main organs in our body. See, now there's not one doing one job. There's many groups, as I said earlier, in tissues. While many cells put together make up a tissue, many organs not put together well do one task, like your lungs and esophagus and mouth help you to breathe. So number 6 is organisms. Organisms are basically us humans. We're organisms. We're made up of many molecules, cells, and organs. And we're not the only organisms on this earth, obviously. There's cats and dogs. They're also made up of many molecules, cells, and organs. Number 7 comes population. Population is just one certain type of organism put together. Like us humans, there's around 7.6 billion of us on Earth. Sorry, 7.8 maybe. And then all the cats put together, all the dogs put together, they may also make a population. Number 8 is community. Community is all of the life forms on Earth. Not life forms, all of the organisms on Earth. Number 9 comes ecosystem. It's a zone on Earth where life is possible. Like desert, life is for some animals, life is possible in the desert, and like the tropics and stuff like that. And then comes biosphere. Biosphere is an entire zone or planet where life is possible. Like we can't go on Mars and say that we can live there easily because there's no trees and no oxygen on Mars. And the last one, 11th, which comes planet where lives are possible. And there's only one that we know of, which is Earth. So guys, that was it from me today about a topic in biology, levels of organization. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe since we're only 2 subscribers away from 600. So Until next time, this is Aries TV. Bye.